So here we are at RxFit's Tenets. This is the heart and soul of health and fitness when you're programming for yourself, for others, and whatnot. These are the 5 things we're constantly talking about with our clients. What we think about when we're like, okay, our clients are here and they need to be here, what is in the way? These are the 5 things we think about, right? We think about fitness, obviously. We think about diet, obviously. And the less obvious stuff like hydration, sleep, and mindfulness. That last one's a tricky one and it's one almost everybody ignores, but we've seen great results with it. These are the 5 things that I coach my trainers through and let them know this is all we think about all the time basically with our clients. What are we measuring for? Success. What does success look like? Managing all 5 of these tenets or pillars, if you will. With something like this, if you want to be very successful at it, you have to track what you're doing a little bit at least, right? You're doing this course because you're getting a real nuts and bolts way to accomplish being better at what you do. And instead of just going through some basic 12-week program where you learn like how to do a squat and how often to do a squat or what a squat does for your butt, that's not here. You probably have an idea of all that stuff. If you want to know why, that's why you're here, right? Why you have to do those things. That's what the tenets are for. As well, break that down. So stay around. We have 5 videos coming up. We'll go through each one in depth of how it can change the way you see your fitness.